Namaskar. Myself Dr. Suraj Jakad, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Today I will discuss about familiarization with insect and diseases of honeybee and their control. Then first is predatory wasp. Honeybee colonies are attacked by a large number of enemies. For efficient management, the colonies required appropriate protection with these enemies. It is important to understand nature and extent of damage caused by bee enemies and how to prevent and their control them. Some of the important enemies requiring regular attention of a beekeeper and described below. First is predatory wasp. Predatory wasp scientific name is Vespa velutina. This is a nest on tree tops, and Vespa mangifica underground nest, Vesta tropica underground nest, and Vesta basalis nest of tree top. Then nature of damage of predatory wasp. The wasp catch the bees at hive entrance and kill them. Most serious damage in hills is caused by Vesa mangifica, which cut down bees in large number while sitting or flying at near hive entrance. Then sometimes even Vespa basalis has been found causing severe damage to the colonies. The weak colonies may even perish due to its attack. Then prevention and control. इसका कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं? Kill the fecundate females visiting the apiary during sparing by flapping. And second is burn the nest during night time. In fire, prone pellets destroy the nest by spraying them with a strong insecticidal solution, and kill the wasp in the apiary by flapping. The second is very important enemies is wax moth. Wax moth scientific name is Galeria menoletta. And nature of damage, the attack is more prevalent during monsoon. ये सबसे ज़्यादा मानसून में अटैक करता है वैक्स मोथ. द वैक्स मोथ लार्वा टर्न थ्रू द मिड रिब्स ऑफ द कॉम्ब एंड there is presence of small mass of minute wax particles outside the tunnels. And in case of severe infestation, further brood rearing is stopped. Bee stove field work and colony may abscond. Then prevention and control. इसका कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं वैक्स मोथ का? क्लोज क्रैक्स एंड crevices in the hive, reduce hive entrance, remove comb not covered by bees. अगर कोई comb बीज के द्वारा कवर नहीं किया हुआ उसको रिमूव करना. कीप द बॉटम बोर्ड क्लीन. देन कंट्रोल इन स्टोरेज. Keep spare comb in empty hive bodies in tiers and close both at bottom and top. Then disinfect the stacks by the burning sulfur at the rate 180 gram per cubic meter. Fumigation by sulfur fumes. After fumigation, put Nepertellens flags in moth-proof stacks. Then third is ectoparasitic mites. In India, ectoparasitic mites in Varroa destructor and Tropillenus iscariae are causing severe damage to Apis mellifera colonies. However, no damage as in Apis cerana colony due to these mites has been reported. ये जो माइट होती है वो एपिस सेरेना एपिस मेलिफेरा की कॉलोनी को अटैक करती है, एपिस सेरेना को नहीं करती. देन नेचर ऑफ डैमेज. नेचर ऑफ डैमेज इज ट्रोपिया इलास्का परिमाइट्स. दिस माइट feeds only on bee brood. In case of several infestation of these mite, that brood is thrown outside the hive by workers. These bees colonies may even explode if control measures are not adopted. The diagnostic symptoms are irregular brood pattern, perforating brood capping, death of malforming wingless bees at the hive entrance, and then fast turning small brownish mites can be also seen on the infested brood frame. Then second mite is Vireo mite. This mite developed and reproduced in the sealed brood cells of honeybees, feeding on hemolymph of bee pupa. Parasitized individual may die or development into deformed, weak individual incapable of normal functioning. This this might has caused heavy losses to Apis mellifera colonies throughout the world, as it reproduces both on drone and worker brood of this species. Although the native host of these mites is Apis cerana, yet is caused by serious damage to it. On Apis cerana, this mite reproduces only on drone brood and is unable to complete life cycle on worker brood due to the slightly shorter development period. In India, अगर इंडिया की बात करें, in India there was no serious damage in Apis mellifera colonies till 2004 due to this mite through reproduced in 1988 on this species from Himachal. Serious infestation of Apis mellifera was recorded in Gurdaspur, Amritsar and Hoshiarpur district of Punjab in 2004. For the first time and now seriously affecting these bees all over India. Now it is well known as the mite earlier refers to the Verozica copsoni is in fact a species complex consisting of two species. Veroia Jacobsconi and Verenia destructor, each having several strengths. Only two strengths Veroia destructor have become pest of Apis mellifera. These symptoms of colony infection with Veroia are spotty brood pattern. Mite can be seen on adult bee body as mature female mite attached to young adult bee and also feed on hemolymph till further reproduction in the brood cells. Then death brood and malformation adult bees are seen near around hive entrance. Then colonies become weak and wound inflicted by mites make the bees more susceptible to the bacteria and viral diseases. Then methods of Veroia mites detection. इसका डिटेक्शन कैसे करते हैं? Open about 50 sealed brood cells and remove pupae using forceps and count number of the mites in the each cell and pupa. Examine mites on adult bees. Take about 100 bees from a colony in a wide-mouthed bottle and sprinkle about 15 grams of finely powdered sugar and shake the container after closing its mouth. Then fine sugar particles will dislodge the mite as these stick to mite foot pads and disable them to grip the body of surface. Take white paper, a sheet and release the content over it. Then control is sulfur dusting on the top bars at the rate 200 milligram per frame, and formic acid fumigation at the rate 50 ml high in the sponge pads covered with the preformed polythene bags. And level of mite Infestation can be kept low by putting sugar, finely powdered sugar at the rate 30 gram per frame, and then sweeping sugars down between the frame space using a bee brush. And this is a major enemies, and other bee enemies: bees, birds, etc. Then familiarization of diseases of honeybees and their control. Then bee diseases. Uh, honeybees are attacked by a large number of diseases, which are caused by different organisms, including virus, bacteria, protozoa, and mites, both ectoparasites and endoparasites. The extent of damage varies from death of some brood or adult to complete loss of colonies. The diseases spread from one colony to other through different manipulation drawn in the apiary, as well as through rubber bees, swarm and dribbling bees. A brief account of symptoms and control measures is given in the tabular form below, with the can help of the differentiation of the one disease from the other. Then bee disease, brood diseases: American fall brood, European fuel brood, and sac brood, also known as Thai sac brood. And then first is positive organism. American fall brood is Panicbasium larvae. European fuel brood is Mexicoccus plutum, and sac brood and Thai sac brood is virus. Sac brood is Apis mellifera, and Thai sac brood is Apis cerana. The time of death. American full brood late larvae, early pupal stage. European full brood coiled larvae in unsealed cell, and sac brood is a late larval stage. Then capping, sunsac and punctured. European fuel brood is a death brood is uncapped stage, and sac brood is a capping removal or puncture obtained with 2 holes. Then color of death brood. American fuel brood is a off-white or light cream to brown, coffee brown to dark brown, or almost black. European fuel brood is a yellowish white to grey or dark brown, or almost black, compared to glistening white in the case of normal brood. And sac brood is a straw colored, starts darkening from head. Then position of death of brood. American full brood is lying flat on the cell base. European full brood is coiled, twisted or collapsed, and sac brood is extended with the head coiled upright in cells. Then consistency of death brood. American is a sticky or ropey. European is a soft and gummy, and sac brood is a sac-like with a watery content. Then order of death brood. Guliport and Putrefaciens is a American fuel brood. European fuel brood is a straggly shore to penetrally shore, and sac brood is a non-straggly shore. Then type of brood affected: worker, rearing, drone, or queen is a American fuel brood. Worker, drone, or queen is a European fuel brood, and worker only is a sac and Thai brood. Then control. Terramycin at the rate 250 to 400 gram in 5 liter sugar syrup feeding. And European is a terramycin 0.2 gram in 500 ml concentration of sugar syrup, and no effective code in Thai sugar. Then adult diseases. Most important disease is nosema diseases. in honeybees. First is causative organism, Nosema apis. This is caused by protozoa, and acarine disease, acarine woody. It is a endoparasitic mite. Then symptoms. Infected bees collect in the front of hive, sluggish, calaverous on leaf blades, distillate abdominal, dysenteric. Then acarine disease की बात करें तो bees gather in the front of the hive as the calaverous bees and unable to fly. Then control. नोसेमा डिजीज को कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं? फीड फूमीजिलिन 200 मिलीग्राम इन शुगर सिरप टू ईच कॉलोनी और 0.5 to 3 मिलीग्राम इन 100 ml शुगर सिरप और टू फीडिंग एट वीकली इंटरवल डिपेंडेल एम @ 0.5 ग्राम पर लीटर पर कॉलोनी. एंड acarine disease fumigant using fallbacks, strip at the weekly intervals or with formic acid 85% at the rate 10 ml colony, and replenish the quantity after every 24 hours to 21 days. Then this is a major important insect and diseases of honeybee colonies. Thank you.